Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Faisa Febiani. Today I want to share my opinion about smoking on campus area. Smoking on campus area is a serious issue that affects not only the smoker but the entire academic community. Universities are meant to be places of learning, health, and personal growth. Allowing smoking in campus areas contradicts these values. Cigarette smoke pollutes the air and endangers non-smokers through second-hand exposure and creates an unhealthy environment for students and staff. Moreover, the presence of smokers around lecture halls, libraries, and cafeterias sends the wrong message to younger students. It normalizes a habit that is proven to be harmful and addictive. Campuses should instead promote healthy lifestyle and set an example by enforcing smoke-free zones. While smokers have the right to make personal choices, those choices should not infringe on the well-being of others. Designated smoking areas far from academic buildings could be a compromise, but ideally, campuses should aim to be entirely smoke-free. It's time for universities to prioritize health over habit. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Felisa Febriani. Today I want to explain the simple present tense. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to describe habits, routines, facts, and general truths. It is one of the basic tenses in English grammar. When to use simple present tense? We use the simple present tense in several situations. Use it for daily routines. For example, I eat breakfast every day. Facts. For example, the earth is round. Habits. She reads books. Time lapse. The train leaves at 5 p.m. The simple present tense has three structures. First, affirmative form. Structure, subject, plus base verb. But for he, she, it, add s or es to the verb. Example, I play soccer. He eats apples. Second, negative form. Structure. Subject plus do or does plus not plus base verb. Example, I do not play soccer. She does not eat apples. We do not live in Jakarta. Third, interrogative form. Structure do or does plus subject plus base verb. Example, do you play soccer as he eats apples? Do they live in Jakarta? Short answers. Yes or no answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Example in context. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Spelling rules for verbs. When using he, she, it, s or es to the verb. Most verb. Play becomes plays. Verbs ending in ch, sh, x, and z. Watch become watches. Verbs ending in y after consonant study becomes studies. Verbs ending in y after vowel plays becomes play. Irregular verbs in simple present tense. Most verbs are regular, but some are irregular. Be, I am, you are, he is, we are, they are. Have, I have, he has. Go, I go, he goes. Not, regular verbs don't follow standard S rules. Adverbs of frequency. Common adverbs always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Placement. After be, for example, I'm always happy, or before other verbs. For example, she often reads. Example, he never eats meat. Example with adverbs. I always brush my teeth. She usually wakes up early. They often play games. We sometimes go to the park. Stative verbs. Stative verbs describe status, not action, like love, had, know, believe, she, here. They are usually not used in continuous tenses. Example, I love chocolate, not I'm loving chocolate. Common mistake. Avoid these errors. Adding ing incorrect. I'm eating breakfast every day. It's wrong. Should be I eat breakfast every day. Forgetting as incorrect. He eats apples. Should be he eats apples. Wrong. Negative. Incorrect. I not play. Should be I do not play. Practice exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. She blah 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 in Bali. She lives in Bali. They blah 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 not like spicy food. They do not like spicy food. Blah 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 you blah 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 play tennis. Do you play tennis? Practice exercise 2. Convert to negative. I eat rice. I blah 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 not blah 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 rice. I do not eat rice. He goes to school. He goes to school. He blah 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 not blah 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 to school. He does not go to school. Practice exercise 3. Make questions. You like coffee? Blah 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 you blah 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 coffee. Do you like coffee? She work here. Blah 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 she blah 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 here. Does she work here? Real life applications. Used in daily life describing your job. Example, I work as a teacher. Giving directions. The bank opens at 9 a.m. Sharing facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Talking about hobbies. Example, I collect stamps. Comparison with other tenses. Present continuous for ongoing action. Example, I'm eating now. Simple past for completed action. For example, I ate yesterday. Simple present versus simple continuous. If the simple present is for activities that have become habits, the present continuous is only for activities that are carried out temporarily. Summary. Key points. Used for habits, facts, and routines. Structure. Affirmative S plus verb. Negative S plus do or does, not plus verb. Interrogative do or does plus S plus verb. Remember spelling rules and stative verbs. Practice regularly to master it. Conclusion. The simple present tense is a verb used to express habits, general thoughts, and schedule events. Its sentence structure is simple, using the base form on the verb and change depending on the subject. For third person singular subject, he, she, it, the verb takes an s, takes s or es ending. Negative sentence and questions use the auxiliary verbs do or does. The time expression like always, usually, and never help clarify the frequency of action. So, uh, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.